If you're a brand new Xbox Series X or Series S owner and you find yourself locked out of some of the downloaded games that you own, I'm going to show you how to easily get past this by making your new Xbox console your home console. Let's go. Hey, what's up all you awesome gamers? Real quick, if you need help with gaming content and streaming tips and tricks, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below and tick that bell so my videos go live for you. After you've gone through the onboarding process and updated your Xbox Series S and X, you may notice by default the Xbox won't allow you to play some of your downloaded games while offline, even if you're the primary console account owner. To fix this, all we need to do is set your Xbox to be the home Xbox. To do this, make sure you're logged into your primary account and open up your settings. Then click on the general menu, which is the first one. Click on personalization, scroll down to My Home Xbox, then click on Make This My Home Xbox. Just to let you know, you can only make your Xboxes home Xboxes 5 times a year, so please remember that, but luckily the system will let you know how many times you've switched on and off the Xbox to be a home Xbox. Hopefully you found this video very informative. If you need any more Xbox tips or any streaming tips, I'm gonna do you a favor and put a video over here to the side that shows you how to transfer your games from your Xbox One to your brand new Xbox Series S and Series X. Happy streaming, happy gaming, and I will see you guys all later. Take care, and of course, peace.